Like this?
Put your hand down and then put 2 feet.
And if you want to change
Oh, like this, like this.
What's that like?
Like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, why am I shaking?
No, don't raise your hand. Just do this.
Oh, that's why.
that one.
Oh, like this, okay.
Okay, now what do you do?
Now
Actually,
you
my favorite way is
walk around.
Rock around and then spin.
that one.
Oh, that gives you speed.
Wow.
That gives you speed.
Like that?
Yeah, and then when you're done spinning, you jump up. And now to do that spinel, you have to do this and then spin around. And jump and spin around, okay?
Like that?
Yeah.
Awesome. Was I good at it?
Wait. No, you do this.
Like that?
No, like this.
You gotta get-
Like that?
Now do all cats
No, do
together.
it all together. Yeah.
Do it. I have to do it again?
Yeah, do it again.
Okay, let's see if I
Do
remember.
it faster, do it faster.
Okay, ready? Like this?
No.
What's first?
Sit down and then spin.
Oh, first I spin,
And then,
and then
yeah.
spin, and then I go like this. Right?
Yeah.
And then?
Then walk around. No, I don't mean walk around, I mean walk in circles.
Okay, now what?
See what? Wait. Okay.
Now what do I do?
Wait.
Oh, now I gotta do the jump. I gotta do the jump.
Yeah.
Okay, go show me.
What are they doing? Okay. Remember, I teach you this.
Okay.
This. I mean this. To get the little bit.
Oh, that's right.
Oh my god, you're gonna break the floor.
Okay, and then what?
Then
Can you do the worm?
Oh,
Teach him the worm.
Okay, good.
Oh wait, teach him the worm. Teach him the worm.
Okay, do the worm. Do the worm.
no, I'm not doing
Do the worm.
worm.
Do the worm. Ah, that's good.
That was really, really good.
Let me show
Good job.
Good job.
Oh, but he's getting it.
Okay, so you're putting it all together. Okay? Yeah, putting it all together. There you go.
This is one
Walk
of my
around.
most funniest videos.
Yeah.
Okay, walk. See, this is how you're supposed to do it.
I did it just like that.
And then you do the kick.
Oh, he really does have a...
That does not look good from behind.
And then pose.
Woohoo! Can we have a kid?